Hi there, it's Rob Hillman here from Easy Training Guides. Today we're going to take a look at a new system online that you can let you set up your own business, and the good news is it's absolutely free. So before we get started, just click on the subscribe link. Also, there is a link below in the description for you to sign up for this new program. It's called System ME. And there's reasons why it's going to be in your favour to sign up via my link, and I'll explain why at the end of the video. But in the meantime, let's take a look at what System ME is all about. Here's the website. Get the world's easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and it absolutely is that. So what is System.io? So if we click on what is System.io, the short version, System.io aims to give every person in the world the opportunity to build an online business. The overwhelming feedback we get over and over again is that our tool is powerful yet simple to use. Our customer support's amazing, and oh, by the way, we're 10 times cheaper, than other alternatives. 10 times cheaper, I'd say it's absolutely 1,000 times cheaper, because you can actually join for free, and that's no joke. It's amazing. It gives you a whole lot of tools. Let's just take a look down on the website here. It's the easiest way for you to create sales funnels. It actually replaces online software such as Kartra, ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels, I believe, is about $97 US a month, and Kajabi, and also Lead Pages. So you've got everything you need in here. So let's take a look. It also offers you email marketing with the free account that you can set up. And once you set up your free account using the link below, obviously, it gives you a system account for life free, and you have up to 2,000 email contacts that you can have on that account, on the free account. Obviously you can upgrade it, but really there is no need at this stage. If you're just getting started, you're a newbie, it pays you to start with a free plan just to get your head around it, although there's a lot of templates that I will actually be providing you also. So you can actually build websites, so you can actually build your online website very, very easily, and then you can manage your affiliates. It's also got an affiliate program built into it, so you can actually let other people sell your online program as well. You can create online courses, and this is all with the free account. We haven't even started about looking at upgrading into the paid account, but yes, you can start your own membership site online absolutely free. It's absolutely amazing. It's got a lot of automation built in, as you'll see. Who said you need technical knowledge to build a business online? Well, absolutely, because with this program you can create courses, create websites, run evergreen webinars, and you can create a blog. So basically you're saving at least $320 a month, because you're looking at the funnel builder. It includes a funnel builder in the free version. It actually includes up to 3 funnels that you can build. Email marketing, you don't have to pay for any email marketing. Gives you up to 2,000 contacts, which is more than enough to get started with. Online course builder, you can build online courses. You've got your affiliate program built in, and you've got video hosting built in, and all of these programs. So as people say, it's the best kept secret in the industry. So let's take a look at the pricing of System.io and just see what it's all about. So on the free plan, because that's what this program is all about, it's start for free. You get 2,000 contacts, unlimited amount of emails that you can send, sales funnels. It lets you build up to 3 sales funnels, sales funnel steps, 15 involved in that. You can set up 1 blog, have an unlimited number of blog posts, courses. You can set up one online course, have an unlimited number of students, set up your own online community, have an unlimited number of community members, unlimited number of file storage space, automation rules. It covers workflows, tags, email campaigns, one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B tests, and I mean a lot of this is not necessary when you're first starting, obviously, but it also has Stripe integration, PayPal integration as well, and you can set up a custom domain with your free account, which is absolutely unbelievable. So yeah, look, it offers so much there, and the good thing is, why I was saying I was suggesting that when you do sign up, you sign up using my affiliate link down below, because what I'll be offering for those people that decide to join System ME through my affiliate link, I will be providing you with free sales funnels, so pre-made sales funnels, pre-built. So the good thing about System ME is that you can easily transfer one sales funnel to anyone in the system that has a System ME account, even if they have a free account. So in other words, I can choose my top funnels that are making money at the moment, and then click a button and they become your top funnels. And all you need to do obviously is just change the links so that with affiliate marketing you get paid for the system. But let's just take a look inside. We'll go inside the members area and see what that's all about. So you've got your dashboard, you've got sales funnels. So these are all sales funnels that I've actually downloaded, and you've got some top selling sales funnels there. Here's a blogger one. If we click on the blogger tube, and the idea of let's just take a look at the home page, view the funnel there. Okay, they can't find it. Okay, so what we do is, if we rename this, just change the number and then save it. So this is a saved funnel that I've actually saved, and then when you save it to your site, when you transfer it to your site, you just have to rename it, change one letter or whatever. So this is an example of a reseller funnel template. So you can have you've got your video in the middle there, you've got all links. For instance, this was a travel site, and then if we go back to that, then you've got the squeeze page. Change that number there, save that, and view that funnel. So this is a squeeze page that's already pre-done. You just need to change a few of the photos and change the payment links, obviously, and a contact page. If we go back to funnels again, let's take a look at some others. There's a natural cosmetic company there, so the home page. So that we take a look at the cosmetic example. There's heaps and heaps of different programs you can set up and different websites you can set up. So this is an example of obviously a beauty product, so you can change everything in there if we want. So if we go back to the home page again, so yeah, look, there's so much included in this System ME program that it's just amazing. But the good thing is, it lets you set up a website for free. You can set up your blog for free. You can have a sales funnel for free. And as I said, I'll be providing you with some free templates in the future. In up and coming videos, I'll show you what's available, and I'll just add them into your site. So it's just as simple as that. So I hope let's just take another look at the pricing again. So under the free site, obviously you've got quite a lot of options there. You've got three other options. You've got startup, you've got webinar, and you've got an unlimited site as well. And the thing is, also, if you choose the annual option, then you're actually saving another 30% on top of the monthly option. So it's something for everyone. And with obviously the unlimited version, you've got everything is unlimited, so you can set up any number of blogs or whatever. But it pays you just to start with a free site for newbies, and you can have up to 3 sales funnels and 1 blog, and that's more than enough to get you started. So look, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe and click the like button, and any comments, please feel free to put some comments in the comment section and let me know what you thought of this video and what you'd like to see in the future. So apart from that, we'll leave it at that. So as I say in the classics, onwards and upwards. Talk to you soon.